Been on YouTube, welcome to the channel, Mitchy boy here. I just wanted to do a video about fixing underexposed screens. If it's just like a little bit underexposed, it's kind of hard if it's like completely washed out. But what you want to do is you can either, like for example, say I've got a bit of a washout there, I can just tape over that with some painter's tape, which is something you're probably going to use anyway to tape up the edges. But also that's kind of difficult, say for example if a piece out of like the middle of a letter washed out or something. So what you can do is we'll just pretend that this part here is in between a letter, and what you can do is you can just kind of paint a little bit of emulsion on. To fix it up, and then let that dry and expose it again in the sun or something, and it should be sweet. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want, and I'll see you later.